Welcome to JH. Today we're diving into the world of building apps without actually learning to code, because who has the patience for syntax errors anyway? We're putting Base44 and Bubble in the ring to see which one actually fits your lifestyle. Base44 uses AI to generate apps from simple text prompts, making it perfect for beginners or anyone who still thinks Python is just a type of snake. It's all about quick templates and one-click deployments, getting you from idea to execution before your coffee gets cold. At $16 a month, Base44 is practically a steal, though you should keep in mind that its customization options are about as flexible as a brick. Then we have Bubble, the heavyweight champion of drag-and-drop tools. It boasts over 6,000 plugins and advanced API integrations, but it comes with a learning curve steeper than your student loan debt. Bubble starts at $59 a month and scales with your usage, which is just a polite way of saying it's ready to eat your budget if you actually become successful. If you need a quick MVP or an internal tool to look busy at work, Base44 is your best friend. However, if you're planning to build a complex, scalable empire with endless integrations, you'll need to bite the bullet and master Bubble. It's the classic choice between fast and cheap, or powerful and potentially bank-breaking. And that is our breakdown of Base44 versus Bubble. Now go forth and build something, or just keep procrastinating. We won't tell.